And sorry, I got hiccups. And today in this video, I will be doing real gold slime. Now, it's going to be real gold because we're using real gold flakes. And we also will be using complete contact line solution, acrylic metallic gold paint, 3 of those, bicarbonate of soda, 2 Hobbycraft clay glues, and some peppermint scent just because I want to scent it. So yeah, and I'm wearing the same t-shirt because I've just done my LOL Fizz Factory, and make sure you go check that video out. So yeah, let's just get on with the slime. So the first thing you need to do is add the 2 bottles of glue. I'm sorry I got hiccups, guys, like I just told you. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of scent, just like a little tiny drop. Oh, that's good. I'm just using peppermint because I want it to be scented. Smells good. And the scent is from Waitrose. Sorry, I got hiccups and I can't stop. So, after you've mixed that in, I'm going to do the metallic paint. And I'm so excited for this because it's like metallic, and I'm super excited because it's gold as well, so that's really cool. Oh, look at that! And this will be a shout out video. I don't know if I'll be needing 3 bottles of paint, but we just have them. You just have to mix this in really well. The paint's not mixing very well with the glue. And guys, just saying, I'm super excited because I'm going to be getting a hoverboard or Segway, however you want to say it, and I'm going to try and get a red or a pink one. I think I'm going to get a red one because we've tried to look for a pink one, but they don't really sell it, and we're trying to get the Razor one and the Razor hoverboards or Segways because they're like the best of ones we think. And there's no pink ones, so I'm going to get a red, I think, because if there's no pink, I'm going to get a red. I'm super excited. I have learned how to ride one at the toy fair that I went to. And that was really cool there, and it was so fun. Yeah, and I went to the Razor, like, thing, and they had a hoverboard, and it was super duper cool, and I learned how to ride them on there, which is cool. So yeah, guys, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. The light, so bright. So yeah, that's really cool, and I'm super excited to get one. And guys, I have school tomorrow. I just had my half term, which was a week off. Now I have to go back to school. It's gone so quick. And I'm just gonna, right now, I'm going to add a bicarbonate of soda. Add a little bit like that. Add 2 of them because it's quite a big slime. Oh, I forgot to add my little spoon into there. So now I'm going to mix that up. Make sure there's no bits or chunks in it. And I'm going to add the gold flakes after. Okay, so now that's mixed in, let's go ahead and activate the slime. This is my favourite part. I'm going to get up on my knees so I can mix. And it takes longer when you're using clear glue, so yeah. handy dandy spatula. Hey guys! So guys, I just cleared, and look at the slime. Oh. It's quite sticky, but it is turning into slime. So I'm just gonna keep adding and stirring and get my hands in. Normally I get my hands in too early. Well, this slime's good. And it's actually like slime. It's just quite sticky. I just need to keep kneading. And the trick is, guys, if your slime's too sticky, don't add any more contact. Keep kneading. But if it's like basically glue, add more. But if it's slime but it's sticky, just keep kneading. Guys, this slime is amazing, balls. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my slime out. Take my slime out. And I'm gonna knead it. Look at it, guys. I'm gonna face you down towards the slime. Look how pretty that is. Oh my God. It's like so gold. It's unreal. It's very like watery. It's very water-like, which is very like good, I would say. I think I'm gonna put this slime in my slime shop if I make one. This is a cool slime to sell. Guys, this is such a nice slime. But it will be nicer if I add the flakes to it. So let's add the flakes. I need this to be my ASMR. So you can still see my head, but you can also see the slime. Oh my God, this slime's like amazing. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the actual gold flakes. I'm excited. I'm like, temptation of adding real gold to your slime is like too much. So I didn't need to get all these gold. Oh my golly gosh. Oh my golly gosh. Guys, look at that. Let's mix it. Gold feels so weird. Well, Gold Flakes does. Let's mix it. Oh! Oh my God, this is so cool. God, I need to do a close-up of this. Let's mix them in. Look at that. That is cool. Oh my God. So guys, this slime is super cool. Let's just do some ASMR. guys. This slime's gone super cool. Ah! This is so cool. So guys, this slime is super cool. Now I'm going to try and make it a swirl. So guys, now I'm going to announce the winner of the Claire's Catties giveaway. I've got a pair so we can match whoever gets it. So, the winner is, drum roll please. These catties go to Alicia Mackenzie. We will message you on Instagram to get your details. Hopefully we'll be doing some more giveaways soon, so if you don't win them, don't be sad. So we'll be sending them off for you. I've announced that. Now make sure you put in the comments below #MSWorld to bring a shout out in my next week's video. And make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!